Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm glad to have you here. And if you are not new, hello, I can see over there. Thank you also for stopping by today. I'm glad to have all of you here today. So if you are new, again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you don't miss anything I post. So I'm here with another video. It's about wash and go. So today I did my wash and go and using Eco Style gel, the black castor oil with flaxseed. I never used the black castor oil flaxseed before. I usually use olive oil, but today I tried the new one. So it came out really good. I'm really impressed with the curl, how the curl came out. Yeah, so that's why I decided to come and show you how I did it. So with that being said, let's jump into it. If you want to see how I achieved this look by using Eco Style gel, keep on watching. So I co-washed my hair last night, and I sectioned my hair in 4 to have a easy way to use the product. And I co-wash my hair with SIM, and this is my first time. I have to say that it's really good, and I love the smell. It smells like a perfume, and yeah, it smells like perfume, and the smell it's really good. Like, I'm really impressed, and it's not that thick. It's really creamy. I love it. And I also use leave-in conditioner, of course, SIM again. And the smell is exactly the same as the other one. There's no different. I really love it. And I use Castor Milk by Shea Moisture as a cream lotion. And I also use, of course, I use my carrots oil that I made by myself. And then last but not least, I use black castor oil flaxseed Eco Style gel. And like I was saying, this is the first time that I used this Eco Style gel, but the smell is good. Actually, I like it. Yeah, I usually use the olive oil one, but today I decided to try something new. So let's jump into it. So first thing, I section my hair was in 4, and then I go in one section that I take the small part, because you don't want to use a lot of hair at once. You just want to take a part of it, and then you spray water, and then you go ahead and put the gel, because I already conditioner my hair. I put the leave-in conditioner yesterday, and the cream and the oil, so it still has enough moisturize, but since it's dry, you have to add some water to have access to manage your hair easily, and that the gel also go easily. So that's what I did. First I put oil, I spray water, and then I go ahead and add gel after that. And right now I'm just detangle I'm doing a finger detangle to make sure the gel is enough. I'm not using a lot of gel, I have to say. It's not much, but yeah, you can see already the curl powder. So what I'm doing, basically, I'm just going back anywhere I see a frizz. I just go and smooth it again with add some oil gel into it. And I have to say that it's the gel is not bad at all. Like, I like the way the curl is coming along. So yeah, if I have I definitely I'm gonna use this gel again. But if I have to choose between olive oil and this one, I would prefer olive oil. I don't know, it's something about olive oil that I like a lot. So that's just my my preference. I prefer olive oil than this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing again. Just spray water, you know, finger detangle. If you can, you know, finger detangle with, you know, brush or whatever, go ahead, do it. But since I washed my hair last night, I did detangle my hair last night, so I really don't need much of, you know, the brush. But along the way, maybe I will need it, but for right now, I don't need it at all. So what I did just add, it's gel, and I'm just doing a finger detangle. I have to say that this process took me, I would say, like 45 minutes to finish all my hair, because I have a lot of hair. It's not long, but I have a thicker hair, so I have to go section by section. Some people might not have a lot of hair, they easily, you know, go just a big section and put the gel, but me, I cannot do that, otherwise the hair is not gonna come out good. So that's why it took me longer. Other than that, it usually don't take that long. So now I'm gonna go ahead and speed up a little bit. As you can see the curl came out really good. I'm really impressed about the gel. Yeah, so again, I'm going back, and anywhere I see frizz, I just go back and add gel to smooth it a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, speed the process. You already get the concept, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just follow the same thing I did. So here I feel like, you know, I need to detangle with you know, with the comb, so that's what I'm doing after I did spray water. So now I'm going ahead and add gel. Very easy process. So I'm just making sure, you know, I get all my edges laid down. Yeah, and I'm going back and just, you know, smooth it again. So I'm done with the first side, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the next side. So before I go there, I'm just going back again and then just smooth anywhere I see any frizz. So this is the final result, how I did all of it. Like I said, it took me 45 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry it out. This side started drying already, but I'm gonna go ahead leave it dry. I'm not gonna go in a wooden because I don't like heat, so I'm just gonna let it dry by itself. So yeah, I know it's gonna take a while to dry, and I'll be back once it's dry and I'll show you the final results. So after hours of, you know, letting my hair dry, you can see it's not completely dry. I would say it's like 80% dry, but look at the result. I really love this, you know, result. My wash and go came out really good. I'm very impressed. The curl is very good, and yeah, I really like it. Definitely I have to try it again. Look at my, you know, the shrinkage is real. My hair is long, but you cannot tell with this curl. Yeah, the shrinkage is real, guys. There you go. So that's the final result. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with your friends and family. Don't save it for yourself, and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos because I have a lot coming up soon. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. My hair came out really good. I'm very happy with this XOXO gel, but if I have to choose, I'm definitely gonna go back to olive oil. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.